Hey guys, welcome to a fresh new episode on YouTube. Today is March 24th. It is a Thursday right before the weekend. We made 4 trades today, 4 out of 4 winners actually. Today we're going to be talking about ALLG and BABA. Let's go ahead and get started. So basically we see that on the 5-minute moving average, ALLG is trending up overnight. Over here, we're going to go ahead and take 300 shares above $20. As we see strong breakout with the 1-minute candle, we're just looking for $21, $21.50, and possibly the $22 mark going. Starts reversing on us. My exit is going to be almost a 1-to-1, so a whole dollar move. So I'm getting out right below the 200 moving average, possibly. And as we see right over here, a clear bull flag, so it's heading up towards the upward direction. We went ahead and added an extra 100 shares right around 1986, so it brought our average down to $20.05. Great breakout right over here. Again, $21 is the goal, $21.50. And getting close to $21, we see big rejections. A lot of strong sellers right over here, so we went ahead and sold 300 shares around $20.50. Took some profit. We never want to give back anything to the market. We always try to take profit as much as possible. Came back down to the $20 mark, added 200 shares, went ahead and took it right back up, and there it goes, breaking above the $21 mark. Waiting for it to break up. If it doesn't, we're going to take another profit. And there we go. Went ahead and took a $250 share profit. And that was about it. Let the rest ride. There we go. Our second trade of the day is going to be BABA. We're looking at basically the daily chart over here. As you can see, it's been extending up from $73.28 to today $116. It actually hit a $124 high yesterday morning or yesterday evening, and it came back down. As you can see over here, this is yesterday's one-day candle. It got rejected from the top. It's too far extended towards the upside, so we're going to look for a short possibly. And there he goes. You can see the 5-minute candles. It went ahead and opened, and it went up all the way up to the $124 mark, and it closed by the end of the day around 116, 117. So now, basically, if it doesn't break above this level right over here, which is 116, we're going to take a short of 120 shares. Waiting for the rejection of 116. Tried to break up. It can't. And we go ahead and get started on shorting 120 shares at $116.03. We're basically looking for the whole dollar move, so 115 possibly, maybe towards the downside of 112.62. This is the range, so we have the high of the day, the low of the day. So a pretty big reversal from the high towards the low. As we can see on the one-day chart, it's too far extended towards the upside, so more than likely it will probably go down towards the downside. And as you can see over here, we're already $80 in profit. Go ahead and took a partial of 80 shares, around 115.40. Waiting for the break of 115, leaving 40 shares in to ride. Any rejection from there, we go ahead and close out. Went ahead and closed out with $100 in profit. Second trade of the day with BABA. It's going to be right below the range of the open of the day. So basically the 114, go ahead and short 130 shares right below that range right over here. Waiting for it to break down from 114 all the way down to the low of day, which is 112.62. It went ahead and reversed on me. My exit would have been the moving average and the VWAP. And there it goes. Pretty nice reversal towards the downside. Big consolidation. The bigger the consolidation, the bigger the breakout. And again, our stop loss would be that yellow line, which is the VWAP. 130 shares in, looking for the downside of 113. And there he goes. Beautiful, beautiful breakout. It is fast forward a little bit, so this is 1-minute candles. Beautiful breakout. As you can see over here, lower lows and lower highs as a beautiful trend towards the downside. The daily, as you can see on the right side, is 112. The low, whereas the red line over there, is basically that 112 mark. So that's my goal right there. But went ahead and took a partial right before the low of day, leaving 40 shares in. Just letting the rest ride. Whatever happens, happens. Went ahead and fully got out around 112.58 or so. Did not want to take any losses. Got right back into it. The reason I got back into it is because of the rejection of the 5 of the 9 moving average. And as you can see, clear direction. We see a reversal of the 9 moving average right below the 20 moving average, which indicates a downtrend momentum. Again, we took that trade from 113 all the way down to 112. I play around the whole dollar range, which means I usually take trades around whole dollars. So 113, 112 or so. So we went ahead and shorted 130 shares at 113. Gonna see where that's gonna be heading. Again, we just want to see the rejection of the 113. I will probably get out around 113.40, and there he goes. Great consolidation, and another breakdown, just as we saw around the $114 mark. And this is the low of day, so we're just hoping for it to break the low of day, which it did. And there we go. We're heading towards the 112. We're already $400 in profit. Now we just need to take a quick partial. Any rejection of the 112, we take a quick partial. Any rejection. Letting the rest ride. Took a profit with $111.70 a share right over there. Letting the rest ride, only 30 shares in, so even if it goes up back to where I bought it at, I lose $40. Great pullback, but I am a very strong bias towards the downside. As you can see over here with the daily chart, we're looking at a big rejection from the top side. Added another 100 shares at 112, brought my average down to 112.25. There you go, writing the rest down. Another breakout below the low, right over there where I marked the red line. The goal was 110, but we'll take whatever we can. Took another partial. And that is it, guys. That is it. All done over here, guys. $844 in profits. We did $311 with ALLG and $532 in profit with BABA. We did 4 trades total, 4 winners. Can't ask for a better day. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe button below. And we'll see you next time.